Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm showing you how I did this dark vampy red toned eyeshadow look. In this video I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Evolve palette. To start, place the concealer onto your lid and use a flat brush to carve the underneath side of your brow. Spread the concealer evenly across your entire lid, then pounce out the product using a damp beauty sponge. To begin the eye look, you need a flat smudging brush to pick up the shade Liner 4, which is a deep black shade, and pack it over the entire lid area and slightly up onto the crease. Use a clean medium-sized blending brush to begin to blow out and soften the edges of that black shade. Continuing to use that same medium-sized blending brush, pick up the shade Crease 7, which is a chocolate brown shade, and work that in circular motions directly over the edge of Liner 4 and into the socket of the eye. Use a small blending brush and pick up the shade Transition 3, which is a dusty rose shade, and work that over the edge of Crease 7 and throughout the crease and upwards towards the brow bone area, rounding it off at the outer corner to create a deeper and more rounded eye shape. Set the brow bone area and soften the outer edges of the entire look by applying the shade Base 2, which is a pale pink shade, in circular and windscreen wiper motions. Apply the shade Transition 3 throughout the crease and upwards towards the brow bone using a medium-sized domed brush. Ensure that you blend in circular and windscreen wiper motions to keep the eye look as rounded as possible, and do not blow out the shadows towards the temple, or this will create an elongated eyeshadow effect. When you work on the outer edge of the look towards the tail end of the brow, press gently with the brush to avoid depositing too much pigment in this area. The outer edges should be highly blended, giving that smoky effect, whereas the central area of the lid and crease should be packed full of pigment. Once again, pick up the shade Crease 7 on a medium-sized blending brush and apply this into the deepest part of the socket of the eye, using a light hand to slightly blend this shade up into the crease and that Transition 3 shade. Gently reapply a small amount of Liner 4 into the centre of the lid to bring back any depth and pigmentation that you may have lost throughout the blending process. Then use the medium-sized blending brush that you had used for Crease 7, and whatever pigment is remaining on the brush, blend over the edge of that black shade to erase any harsh edges. Take any silver tone loose highlighter and highlight the brow bone area. Then using that same highlighter, pack it into the inner corner using a pencil brush to introduce some light into the look. Using a flat smudging brush, pick up the shade Liner 4 and apply it into the entire lower lid right up against the lash line. Next, use a flat-topped blending brush to soften the edge of that shade and add further depth into the lower lid by applying the shade Crease 7. Remember to take the shade right up towards the inner corner and out towards the outer corner. When bringing it into the outer corner, round off the shadows to join them to the upper lid and maintain that circular eyeshadow shape. Blow out the edges of the shade Crease 7 and enhance the overall smokiness of the look by applying Transition 3 over the edges of the lower lid shadows. You do not need to be neat with the lower lid, as the further down the shadows go, the more smoky and grungy appearance the final look will have. As you did with the previous shade, remember to round off the shadows in the outer corner to meet with the upper lid shadows. Gently apply the shade Base 2 over the very edge of the lower lash shadows to soften the edge of the look and assist in blending the shadows into your skin tone. Go back in once again with Transition 3 on a fluffy brush into the lower lid area. Then switch to a larger domed brush using the same shade. Using a larger brush will spread the shadows further and result in a more smoky blown out appearance to the final look. Curl your lashes and prep them for mascara and false lashes. Then apply a generous coating of mascara to your top lashes. Take a black cream pencil liner and apply it directly onto your upper and lower lash line and waterline to tightline your eye. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Doll Beauty Jasmine Lashes, however you can use any full long lashes you have available. Once your lashes are on, apply mascara to your lower lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye. And that's the finished dark vampy smoky eye look. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know by giving it a like. Don't forget to tag me in your recreations at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at Courtney Beauty _ on Twitter, and hashtag Courtney Beauty for a chance to be featured on my page. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!